These are the elevators at 333 something road. I don't know which one. I don't know which road this is, but go to 10. Here we go. Look at the doors. Just an FYI, I'm only gonna do 2 here because there is security and I have school to attend. Probably originally Dover. Got a monitor to slap on. Let's try the signal and see if that does anything. Alright, let's try luck. Nothing. They're nice. I'm probably gonna abruptly end this. Really? Nothing? Yeah, nothing. Alright, we'll send you to 6. That one's an independent, I'm not touching it. It's probably the RXR facility. Oh, that's for the freight. I'm stupid. I guess those are the freight cars right there. Oh. See if the signal works on this one. Signal works on this. Bit squeaky on this one. Safety go off there? Nope. Go back down. Yep. You're basic, but nice. New York elevators. I didn't enable the signal this time. Monitor TR 1100, I think, without like the outer light. There's 8 elevators in this bank. And I'm gonna try to get a thumbnail down here. Yep. Okay, I got my thumbnail. Okay, that's it.